Hello, welcome to week 9 of English 113 online, Shaw University Fall 2018. Yay! We are now about to embark upon the final part of this class, which is going to comprise paper 2 and paper 3. Paper 2, which we're going to go over today, works hand in hand with paper 3. These are the biggest assignments and have the biggest impact on your grade, so you'll want to pay attention. Also in week 9, we are going to review MLA formatting. This is something you should have learned in other classes. Sometimes you've forgotten. If it's a skill that you don't use regularly, you may not remember, so we're going to review that as well. So, what are you doing this week? Well, let's take a look down here. So, to review MLA formatting, there is a video right here, and actually it walks you through step-by-step how to set up an MLA formatted paper. What? Yes, you are welcome. In addition, I have an MLA formatting example, which we will take a look at right here. There it is. Okay, this is what MLA formatting should look like. Okay, it's all the correct font, it's all in the correct formatting. Everything is double spaced with no extra gaps. Why do I give you an example of this? Because when you write a paper, what I want you to do is when you're done writing your paper and you think it's perfectly in MLA formatting, pull this up and look at this one compared to what you've done. If it doesn't look like this, if there's extra gaps or weird, like this font doesn't match this, or there's extra gap here, or not everything is double spaced because there's extra gaps here, you did it wrong. Okay, this is an example of how it should look when it is done properly. So I gave you that as a tool to help you. Okay, so there is that. In addition, we are going to get into research, the research part of this class. Now, you should have learned about research quite a bit in English 111 and English 112, and we're going to build on that. So this video right here, which I'm pointing to, covers some of the basic concepts of research. It's a good refresher if it's been a little while since you've taken 111 or 112. And you're going to need it because we are going to be doing the annotated bibliography. That is paper 2. And it is a little, you should have learned how to do an annotated bibliography in English 112. If you didn't, boo. If you forgot, boo. We're still going to do one. So this video right here will explain what an annotated bibliography is and why you have to create one. And the specifics of the annotated bibliography is right here. So let's take a look at some of the specifics for this. Okay. So this is writing project 2, the annotated bibliography. Again, annotated means to take notes. Bibliography is just a list of sources. So the main thing that we're going to get done is that for this class is this is going to help you. Writing project 2 is actually going to help you write writing project 3. Okay, for writing project 3, not the one we're working on yet, but the one we'll work on eventually, you are required to develop an analysis in which you explore a literary work, poem, short story, or drama, and identify the themes of the work. Okay, theme or themes. For this class, for the class taught by Professor Jason Morgan, the literary work that you're going to be exploring is A Raisin in the Sun. That's why I had you get it for this class. That's why I've already had you read it, and now we're going to analyze it, okay? So, for the final paper, and just bear with me so that makes sense, for the final paper, you need to identify the theme or themes of A Raisin in the Sun, okay? And basically, in what way does the author use narrative, poetic, and rhetorical devices to identify the theme? So you're going to pick a theme or themes for A Raisin in the Sun. Okay, now to help you get to this final project of writing 3, I don't know how to do this, we're going to have you do project 2, which is going to help you. The goal of writing project 2 is to find and identify credible sources that'll help support a claim or a theme which you will use to help you write writing project 3. So you're going to see what other people have already done, what they've already identified as theme or themes. Now, just because you may not agree with them, or you may agree with them, okay? But what the requirement is that you're going to search, and you're going to find 4 articles or sources that you have found while researching your topic. Okay, so if I were you and I was doing, I would search for themes of A Raisin in the Sun. Oh, you're going to find 4 articles or sources, and then you're going to use MLA formatting. Now, what you're going to do is that once you find a source, you're going to write basically 3 paragraphs. Write a paragraph about the article, okay? What is the main point? What do they think the theme or themes are of A Raisin in the Sun? Paragraph 2. Write a paragraph which notes the evidence the author uses to back up their points. It's not just enough to say, I believe the theme is belly button rings are important. Okay, well, what is the evidence that the author uses to back up that point? Okay, by the way, evidence, I mean, belly buttons are important is not one of the themes of A Raisin in the Sun. They don't even mention those in A Raisin in the Sun. But, okay. Now, you can use direct quotes as needed here so that it will help you with your paper. So, the author is making a claim, hey, I think, the author of this article that you found says, hey, I think the theme is, X, Y, and Z. And the reason I think the theme is X, Y, and Z is because of this evidence. Okay? And then paragraph 3 is, how does this article that you found fit in with your view of the theme or themes? Okay? Because you may have found other themes that you connect with. Okay? Is it different? Is it something you hadn't considered? Do you disagree or agree with the author? So that's what you're going to do for each source. So find a source, you write paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3. Find another source, write paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3. Okay? You're going to alphabetize your lists of sources in alphabetical order by the name of the author. Okay? Yes. So that's writing project 2. And you're like, oh, that's really confusing. Well, again, there is this video here that explains it a little more in detail. And last but not least for this week, there is an MLA formatting quiz. I will tell you, having taught this class several times, many times, the anti-bibliography is probably the most important thing you're going to be doing in this class, because the time and effort you put into this assignment will make writing project 3 so much easier. Basically, you're gathering the ingredients to use to write a big, not big, but to write a final paper for this class. This is the research part of it. It's going to help you. So take the time and effort to really understand the anti-bibliography. Look again over the assignment. You can do this, okay? And again, you should have learned how to do this already. You're just going to be doing it for this particular class. So again, for this week, you're going to refresh your memory of MLA formatting. Lecture will show you how to do this, the concepts of research. Then you do the anti-bibliography lecture to kind of specifically how you're going to be doing it. There's the specifics of this. Start working on it, and you have a little bit of time to work on the anti-bibliography. That is going to be due. The first draft of the anti-bibliography is due the 19th. Okay, so you have some time to work on it, but don't wait, because it is one of the bigger assignments we're doing. So that's it for week number 9. All right, watch this video as many times as you need to. Okay, really wrap your head around the anti-bibliography. Understand that, again, this is probably the hardest thing you're going to do this semester for many of you. Once you get this down, then you're going to be in pretty good shape from here on out. So take the time and effort now to really do this assignment. All right, now go get her done.